Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing or an unwrapping of the Southern Belle Plans June monthly subscription kit. I cannot wait to see what is inside of here. I have not opened this, so we are going to see this together. So I have seen sneaks of this kit, and what I have seen, I have fallen in love with. I just can't wait to see it in person and share everything with you. Let's just dive right in. So it comes wrapped, it was in a mailer, and so this is wrapped with tissue paper, with the Southern Belle Plans stamp and thank you stickers. Okay, eek, I cannot wait. All right, how adorable. I already love it and I haven't even opened everything. Southern Belle Plans sticker. Okay, I'm just going to start unwrapping this. Let me just slide it off there. All right, so let me show you the inside. First thing that you get is this pouch. This is perfect for your pens and markers, any smaller stickers like loose die cuts. I mean, technically you don't have to use this for planning. You can use it for anything. Even, you know, when you go to games that say clear only, I wonder if this would pass as clear. I mean, it is frosted, but once you get something in it, I mean, you can clearly see what it is. So very versatile pouch there. And I like the size. It's not too big and bulky. So that is the first thing. The second thing is this plastic storage. It's like a sticker storage. And Tabby, she put sticker stash on here, a sticker, and Southern Belle Plans at the bottom. It snaps closed, so it doesn't have that Velcro. You know how some of those accordion little storage things that like hold coupons and things, they have like the plastic and it's kind of cheapy. This is not one of those. It has 12 spots, so you could technically label these for each month, January through December, and have each of your kits here or like leftovers. I'm not sure how I'm going to organize because my stickers don't last very long with Southern Belle Plans. I use them up in my journal, in my plan book. So I know I'm going to store sticker sheets that I have in here that I'm waiting to use. So I'm just gonna try to figure out how I'm going to label them. So I need to think about that, but I'm so super excited about this. This was what I was most looking forward to because I needed a place to store Southern Belle Plan stickers. You know, I have other systems for other things that I use, but I was just trying to think, man, I need something really useful and handy for my Southern Belle Plan stickers, and this is perfect. And I feel like this is going to last me a while, a long time. Okay, so it's open. So I'm just going to take out the stickers that are included in this bundle. It is Southern Belle Plan's 1-year anniversary, and to celebrate, she was just so generous with this kit, with the pouch and the sticker storage. You guys, there are downloads galore. Like you get personal pocket with different images. So definitely go and check that out. This is launching today. It is going to be launching at 1 p.m. Eastern. So pretty soon. I'm kind of cutting it close with sharing this with you, but I wanted to get this out before it went live, just so that you saw what was in it, because it's very limited. So she didn't make a ton of kits. So once they're gone, they are gone. But the good thing is that she's also offering an option with just the stickers. So if you didn't want this storage kit or the pouch, you can get just the stickers, which I thought was a really good idea to offer that. Okay, the first two things that I see here are the die cut stickers. They are on the same sticker paper that she uses, which I love it on my Hobonichi paper. It works perfectly. Okay, so if you haven't guessed, this is a strawberry theme, and I am so excited about that. I love strawberries. In fact, so as I flip through this, I'm just going to tell you this real quick. So for my birthday each year, I always ask for angel food cake with strawberries and whipped cream. I just love strawberries. This would be a cute sheet. So if you have a daughter and you go strawberry picking, you can decorate the page with that. I mean, look how beautiful these are. And then when I was pregnant with my children, you know, you have pregnancy cravings, and my one craving that I had to have every single night was strawberries and whipped cream. So I love strawberries. Oh, look at this one with the house and the strawberries in the front. I really like that one. Okay, I haven't had a chance to look at these yet, so I am seeing these with you. Ooh, we get a sheet of, okay, I like this cabin. A sheet of all desserts. Okay, this is up my alley. Look at the waffles, the pie, the cake. You guys, it's so good. Okay. Yeah, this rustic cabin. I love that. Look at this little arch. So, so beautiful. She did wonderful on this. You get your date stickers. You get the week stickers. This is a large sticker. You know, what I like to do with these large stickers, so there's one here too. You know, in the front of the Hobonichi, let's see, happen to have it right here. So in the front of a new month, I'll just go to May. You have this blank page. I like to, and let me get an example of one that I have done. So like for March, you know, I just kind of decorate that page with the bigger stickers, and I love how it turns out. So that's how I utilized those. Or you can even use them like on a front of a planner. If you don't have a lot to journal about on a certain day, you just plop the big picture down and it's decorated. It's perfect. Then you get some of these journaling little washies and some girls. You get different skin tone and different hair color on those too. My favorite girls are the ones that are turning away from the camera for some reason. I like those ones the best, but they turned out really cute and really beautiful. So that is the kit, and I hope that you are so excited about it. So a couple things that I wanted to tell you. It's going to go for $60 for all of this and the downloads. Tabby was saying that it's $120 value for $60, and so she was just very generous with what she is giving in this kit to celebrate her 1-year anniversary. I have this over here. My code Brianna10 does not work on this kit, but you can put in the notes that I sent you, or you can put this code and you can get this freebie in your order if that is something that you want. But yeah, my code will not work. This is very limited, so if this is something that you want, I would definitely order sooner rather than later so that it doesn't run out and you have a chance to get your hands on this cute June kit. All right, you guys, I will chat with you soon. Bye.